To graph this equation, which is a parabola that either opens to the right or left, I'm going to first write the equation in standard form. To do so, we're going to complete the square with y squared and minus 2y. And to do that, I will rewrite this as x equals y squared minus 2y. I'll leave a space and write plus 4. Now remember, when we complete the square, we'll take this value of 2, multiply it by 1/2, and we'll get 1, and then square that value. So we'll add 1. Now to make it equivalent to really adding 0, we'll subtract 1 from that same side of the equation. Now we can complete the square, and so we'll have x equals y minus 1 squared plus 3. When the equation is written in this form, this is your k value, and this is your h value. So the vertex is at 3, 1. Now, other information that's useful to know when you graph, because the number in front of the squared term is positive, we know the graph opens to the right. The x-intercept is found by putting 0 in for y, and if we do that, we'll have 0 minus 1, negative 1 squared is 1, plus 3 is 4. So the x-intercept is at 4, 0. And finally, it's also useful to find a couple of points that we can plot to get the general shape of the graph. So I'll put values in for y and solve for x's. If I put 2 in for y, I should get a value of 4 for x. Substituting 3 in for y should give me a value of 7 for x. I can now plot this information. 3, 1 is here. 4, 0 is here. 4, 2 is here. And 7, 3 would be plotted here. Because of the symmetry of parabolas, I also know that I can go down to this point, and this would mirror this point over this axis of symmetry. I can connect the points now, and there is my graph.